Welcome back to another new exciting video, guys. This is another huge opportunity to use Claude 4.6 Opus model for free entirely locally. And here you see that these are the distilled model that is made by Jack Rong, and what he done that he made this possible by combining this Qwen 3.5 model and Claude 4.6 Opus reasoning dataset. Here you see that these are the free Opus 4.6 reasoning dataset that are available on Hugging Face for free, and he used this data set and he made all of this model like for this 27 billion, and also this is 4 billion, and also 9 billion, and also this 2 billion. Okay, so all of these variants they have used from the Qwen 3.5 models, and they used this 4.6 Opus dataset, and these are the distilled model they have made. And also these models have this quantized version, so these are actually possible to use inside locally. So if you don't have enough space, then also you can run it locally. So let me show you the step-by-step process how you can use it. First of all, you can normally run this model through Hugging Face by downloading the model. It is a normal procedure, but there is another procedure also, like you can use LM Studio to run this model locally. So I will download this LM Studio, and according to your operating system like Mac, Linux or Windows, please download it, and after this downloaded, just install it locally and simple next, it will be downloaded. Okay, so I have already downloaded this LM Studio, and I will open it, and on the left hand side you will see this fourth icon. Here you see, so just go there and type this Jack Wrong. So basically this person made it possible for this Qwen 3.5 plus Claude 4.6 Opus. Okay, so if you select this Jack Wrong, here you see that all of this 9 billion, 2 billion, 27 billion variant model will be shown to you, and here according to your operating system space, just please download it. So you can easily download this 9 billion or this 2 billion and 4 billion. Now for this 27 billion, please check if you have space or not. Okay, now I have used this 9 billion model, so it is around 4 GB. And after that, on the left hand side you will find this chat option. See this icon, so go there and select this model from here. Okay, so here you see that Claude 4.6 Opus reasoning distilled model, and now if I just write hi and press enter, here you see that it is thinking. So this model is also thinking, and what I have already told you that it is using the Qwen 3.5 architecture. We know that Qwen 3.5 is the multimodal model. Okay, so unified vision language model, so that means this model supports the vision plus language. Okay, and also Qwen 3.5, all of the models are based for the reasoning, coding as agent purpose, and also for the visual understanding. So here you see that I got the output. Now what I can do, I can test some reasoning question also, and for that what I can do, I can go to this chat GPT. Here you see I have searched, want to test a high reasoning LLM model, give me some hard tricky question with answer. Okay, so here it has given me some of the famous hard reasoning question: first, second, third and fourth. Let's say this fourth question. Okay, take this fourth question. Okay, and just copy this and go to there. Okay, so paste it. Okay, now don't mention this. Okay, so I will not mention that it is a Monty Hall trap question. Okay, I will see that if this model have the capability to detect this problem or not. Okay, and what I will do, I will press enter. So let's see. So here you see that it is doing all of these things. Okay, now I have got the answer, and let me show you the step-by-step process what it has done. So here you see that thought for 33.74 second. Okay, now if I just open it, and here you see it has written this. So let me just zoom in. It has written this, that this is one of the famous problem in probability theory, the Monty Hall problem. So it has automatically detected that. I have not told this that this is a Monty Hall problem. Okay, now let me show you the answer, it is correct or not. So it is saying that for the switch, yes, always switch, and the probability is 2 by 3. So if I just match it with the answer, yes, switching gives 2 by 3 probability. Now this is the answer that is matching, and here you see that what it has done. So it has gone through a couple of steps. So step 7, here you see the step 6 for the verification with simulation code, and for the step 5 key insight, and this is step 4. So it has gone through couple of steps, and after that it has taken the decision that yes, this can be the answer, okay, or this should be the answer. So here you see that within a less than 40 second I got the answer, okay. Means for thinking it took 33.74 second, and then again within 6 second I got the answer, okay. So this model is really good, and you can use this model for your code based exploration purpose. Means you can use this model in your VS Code through any extension like Qwen or Code Kilo Code, and there you can select this model. So basically if I just show you, then you can understand. So open your VS Code, and let's say open this client, okay, open this client, or you can open this kilo code, okay, okay, so it is taking the update. Okay, so now go there, and I have opened this kilo code. So what you can do, you can select this API provided as the LM Studio here, and now by default it will take the base URL, and here you see that you will find this model ID. So select this model ID from here and save this, and you can ask this model that please explain me the code base. Okay, or if you are facing any problem in a particular area of your code base, then you can ask this model that please explain this part, okay. Because during this Qwen 3.5 publish, I have already shown you that this model really have the capability for the instruction following. Here you see that the first model is the Qwen 3.5 9 billion. So this 9 billion model is really great for this graduate level reasoning and multilingual language, okay. And also if I scroll down, then you will see that it has the capability for the live code bench also, okay. Yes, this live code bench version 6. So that means is it really have the great capability for the coding purpose, okay. Where is that 9 billion model? This one, this one. So this one, okay, this one. So this is good, and as this 3.5 model also got the Claude 4.6 Opus capability, Opus reasoning capability. So that means this model is now more powerful than the base model, this fine-tuned model, okay. And also you can read more about this model here if you go there inside this LM Studio. When you are downloading, here you see that it has used this supervised fine-tuning technique. Okay, so here you see to inject high density reasoning logic and establish a strict format for problem solving involving an internal thinking state prior to outputting the final response. So that's why it took the 33 second in my case for thinking. Okay, and here you see that training loss curve and all dataset used, means they have used this Claude 4.5 Opus dataset also. So 4.6 Opus and 4.5 Opus, both dataset they have used, okay. So these are the digital model that you should definitely check out, and I will highly recommend you, if you have space, then always go for this 27 billion model, okay. This is really great model, okay. And also this is a quantized version they have released, so please use this quantized version. I think it will take around 1 GB, okay. This is the quantized version for 27 billion, okay. Here you see that it is showing that this model might entirely fit in my GPU's memory, so you can try this, okay. So yes, this is the another video that I wanted to share with you guys. I think this video is helpful for you, and if you want to get this type of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.